All right, you ready? Whenever you're ready, tell me when.
It started.
Oh, all right. So this will be entertaining at the beginning. We already talked about cutting the base, okay? We're gonna have 2 holes we're gonna drill 2 inches from the edge and from the side. This one's gonna be 1.5 by 1.5. This one you're gonna drill with the 1/4 inch drill bit, which is the drill press on the left. And the upper right one will be done on the drill press on the right. So let me do that real fast. Okay. Next, what you're going to need, you're going to need 2 dowels for this. 1/4 inch diameter dowel, 1/8 inch diameter dowel. Both of them I want to be 2 inches long. For the 1/4 inch dowel, it's a little bit wider. So we're going to actually use a saw. We'll use this little mini back saw. All right, so just put this in the vise. And you'll cut this off with the little mini back saw. The other one, the 1/8 inch dowel, because it's very skinny, we can actually cut, remember what these are called?
Pliers.
What kind?
They don't know. Butterfly.
Diagonal cutting pliers. Okay, and then you could just cut that off like that. Okay, a little bit of glue. A little bit of glue. Okay, that's going to get glued in here. These go in after you route the top edge. Okay, and then this one will get glued in as well. Now, bless you. Okay, that's that. The next thing you're going to need one of these square pieces. Okay, easiest way to mark the center of this, because we're going to drill a hole through the center of it, is to just draw from corner to corner and corner to corner. Okay. You're going to drill that with that 1/4 inch bit on the left-hand side. Okay. We do need to drill it out a little bit larger, so we're going to use this bit that I have in my pocket with the hand drill. Okay. So we'll come over here. We're going to drill this. And then once I'm done doing the next step, I'll change the bit and re-drill that, okay? I want to put these are going to be my upright pieces. That's what's going to hold this arm and allow it to rotate up and down, okay? So you're going to cut, this is 3/4 by 3/4 inch material, 6.5 inches long, and then I will cut it down to 6 inches overall measurement. From the same end, you're going to measure, because we need to drill 2 holes in this, 1/2 inch from the top and 3 3/4 from that same side. Okay, transfer my mark over here. Okay, so it'll look like that. I want to center my hole, so that's going to be 3/8 of an inch. Okay, and then I'll mark these with my awl. And I'm going to drill these 4 holes. Okay. Excuse me. Okay. You need to drill 2 more holes in this. So, to align this, we're going to use our arm section. Okay, this should fit perfectly right on top of that. Okay, so what you're going to do, measure in from the edge, 3/8 of an inch, because we want to get a nail centered into this post. Okay, so if we come in 3/8 from both sides, and then we center it from left to right. It's going to be 1 inch and 5/8. I will pre-drill those 2 with the hand drill. Okay? So this is going to go right in here. Notice I did it over the hole in the table. Okay? Now I'm just going to quickly change this. I'll have one just for this purpose. Okay, and then I'm going to do the same. Reason I did that hole is a 1/4 inch. That's going to be very tight around the dowel here. I want this to be able to spin, so that's going to be able to rotate. Okay. Then make sure that this is inverted because the top is going to be the 2 holes. I want to flip it upside down. I'm going to put some glue on there. Okay. I got to get 2 nails and a hammer.
Eva, follow him.
Oh.
No, that's okay. It's okay. All right, so we're going to use these bright finish nails for this. They're 1 inch long. So you're going to need 2 of them. I would recommend starting it on the table. Now, here's a little trick to help keep everything aligned perfectly. If you take one of these dowels, you're going to need this anyway. You're going to put it through this center section like this. Okay. Now the dowels will stay, now these posts will stay aligned. I can lay this right on top. And then you're just going to hammer this down. And since you're going to need this dowel, you can trim it. Leave about 1/2 inch of this sticking out, and you can just trim that off right there. Okay. This will go on here. Okay. Then, last thing, you need 2 more dowels. I know, there's a lot of steps, right? Okay. We'll take this, take my dowel, we're going to put it through the top. This is why I'm making this video for you guys. It makes it easy. Okay, that one will go here. Again, just have about 1/2 inch sticking out. Okay, reason we have this is if I wanted to adjust it, I could take these out and I could move it over here. Okay, so you can align it with whatever set of holes you want. Okay, and now this is almost ready to have the linkage for the claw on the front. So this is going to be the next step. There's a couple more things I'll show you later, but that's more than enough info for you at this moment. Okay? Good? All right.
Can I stop?
Yes, you can stop.